Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will learn some more string methods in Java. So these methods are widely used in Java for string manipulation. And yeah, we'll. So the first one is the index of and substring, concat, and replace of. So these are the methods that I have now I am explaining. So let's see the line by line. Public class string methods here. So this is the main class, this is the class declaration. And in Java, every program must have at least one class. So the main class will contain the main method where the program execution starts. So this is the main method, public static void main of string arg. So this is the main method where the program begins execution. So string args is used to pass the command line arguments. So here string str equal to hello world. So we declare a string variable named hello world and str and initialize it with the value of hello world. So here this is the example one of like index of. So in this we are like using the index of method. So this method searches for a first occurrences of the string substring of world, that is this is the world, and in str it returns the index of the first character of the substring. So in this case world starts at the index 7, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 is like w, right? So it starts with the r w at index 7. And yeah, so we'll print this system dot println of index of. So we print the value of index here, so which is 7, because world starts at index 7, right, in the string here. So yeah, the output is 7 here. And here we are using like substring that doesn't exist. Like if we are not giving the string here, like at that case we are using this method. So here int not found equal to str dot index of goodbye here. So we use index of again, so this time searching for the substring goodbye which doesn't exist in str here. So this will return -1. So here system dot out dot println of not found here, and we print the value of not found which will be -1, indicating that the that goodbye was not found in that str here. So yeah, that's all about index of. And here substring of here. So here substring for extracting the substring starting from index 7 to 12. So the substring of 7 comma 12 method extracted like the portion of the string starting at index 7 and ending before 12 here. So it extracts world here, it extracts world from hello world here. So yeah, like that. System dot out dot println of result here. So this is the result. And here it will print the substring of like world message. And here string partial here string partial result equal to string str dot substring of 0 comma 5 here. So this line uses substring of 0 comma 5 here to extract the first 5 characters from the string which are hello. So the first 5 characters of the given string is hello, right? So that because we are using that. And system dot out dot println of partial result here. So here we are using the partial result here, right? So that's why we are calling this, we are printing that. And the output is like hello here. So we printed the extracted substring, right? So that's why we printed that hello. And here string result concat of result concat equal to str dot substring of 0 comma 5 dot concat of comma dot concat of str dot substring of 7 here. So here we are using the concat of method to join two substring here. And the first one is str dot substring of 0 comma 5. This is the first one, right? Str dot substring of 0 comma 5. So it extends hello, and here then we concatenate comma here, and finally the third one is concat of str dot substring of 7 here. So it extracts the world. So the final result is like hello world with comma also here. So yeah, like that. Here system dot out dot println of result concat of. So here we print the total message like hello world, the entire string here. And yeah, and the last one, the fourth one is replace of. So string replace equal to str dot replace of world Java here. So this method replace the first occurrence of the world in str with Java. So the resulting string is hello Java here. So here system dot out dot println of replaced here. So we print the string after replacement, which is hello Java here. So in this case we are using like replacing all the occurrences of the apple with orange. So first we take the strings here. So the three are like apple, apple, apple here. So to replace apple with orange method replaces the first occurrences of apple. So this is the occurrences of apple with orange, right? So since replace of only changes the first occurrence, the result is orange, apple, apple here. So system dot out dot println of new text. So here new text of we print that message. We will see what the output is. So yeah, that's all about that methods. So I will give you a brief explanation among all these. First, the index of method here. So the index of method in Java is used to find the index of the first occurrence of specified substring in a string. So if the substring is not found, it returns -1 here. And the second one is substring of. So yeah, this is the substring here. And the substring method in Java is used to extract a part of the substring starting from a specified index and optionally ending at another index. So that's all about substring. And here concat of. So the concat of method in Java is used to concatenate two strings, that is joining of two strings. So it returns a new string which is the combination of the original string and the string passed at an arguments, right? So yeah, that's all about concat of. And replace of here. So the replace of method in Java is used to replace occurrence of a specific character or like substring with another character or substring. So it replaces all the occurrences of a specified value here. So yeah, that's all about. So if you have any doubts or whatever, like please comments, please do like, share and subscribe.